Welcome to Matt Gourmet Kitchen. Today I'll be showing you guys how to make a lovely sweet chili shrimp pasta. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click that notification bell to get further contents like these. The ingredients for this sweet chili shrimp pasta will be down in the description box, so you guys can just go there and check it out.
Jave Beats exclusive.
Now guys, here's our ingredients for your sweet chili shrimp pasta. I'm going to use some cornstarch. I got my pasta here. I'm using some chili flakes. I'm going to use some dark soy sauce, also some vinegar. I got 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of all-purpose, 1 teaspoon of chili powder. I got 2 cups of flour, 1 cup of granulated white sugar. I got some chopped garlic. I got half teaspoon of black pepper. I also got 1 teaspoon of paprika, and also got my shrimps here. Now guys, I'm going to start out by seasoning up my shrimp. I'm starting out with my paprika powder, my garlic powder, my all-purpose, my black pepper, also my chili powder now guys. Now guys, I'm just going to use a fork to give that a stir, just to rub in those seasonings. So you want to do it, just rub in a seasoning on your shrimp. Now guys, I'm going to use an egg. Also on it, just rub that in. Stir it properly guys, make sure you're seasoning on those prawns, on those shrimp properly. Now I'm going to cover this up and let it marinate for about half an hour before I start to fry them up. And meanwhile this is marinating, I'm going to make my sweet chili sauce. Put this to the side now guys. Now here's how you make that lovely sweet chili sauce. You're going to start out with 1.5 cup of water. You're going to add your granulated white sugar. And you're going to add your chopped garlic. Then you're going to add your chili flakes to it. Make sure your fire is on low heat. Then you're going to add half teaspoon of salt. You're going to add half cup of white vinegar. Also 1 teaspoon of soy sauce. This guys. And you're just going to give that a mix. Guys. Now you're going to leave this for about 5 minutes to boil. Guys, after that 5 minutes, the sauce is boiling. You're going to mix up 2 teaspoons of cornstarch with about 1.5 teaspoons of water. You're going to mix it, add it to your sauce that you have on the fire boiling. Yes guys, to give it that thick texture. You can make that sauce, guys. Add it to it. In the meanwhile, you add that your cornstarch to it. You're going to keep stirring that for about the next 2 to 3 minutes until you get the thick texture. Just keep stirring it like this. The sauce is smelling so lovely. Yes, guys. Can't wait to finish frying up my prawn and add my sauce and my pasta. Remember guys, keep your fire on low heat while you're making your sweet and sour sauce, sweet chili sauce, sweet chili sauce. Remember to keep your fire on low heat. In a few minutes when this is finished guys, I will show you the result, how it's looking. guys, after that 3 minutes of stirring it, guys, my sauce is finished. Yes guys, it's time to give it a taste, see what it tastes like. It's lovely. Wow, the sauce is amazing. Guys, I'm gonna turn this off. This one side. Time to boil the pasta. I'm gonna boil it for about 8 to 10 minutes. So you're gonna tip some oil also in your pasta so they don't stick together. There you have it guys. Leave that for 8 to 10 minutes to boil before you check back on it. Now guys, meanwhile my pasta is boiling, I'm just gonna add my flour to this basin. Now I'm just adding 2 teaspoons of cornstarch also to that flour. Yes, guys. Now I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of chili powder to my flour also. Also 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Also 1 teaspoon of all-purpose, guys. I'm just going to give this a mix. The seasoning to my flour, the cornstarch. And this is what I'm going to dip my. This is what I'm going to coat my shrimp in before adding to my oil. And just preheat your pot in the meanwhile, and then you add your oil to it. Shrimps is finished marinating, and I'm going to remove this cling film from it. Also, when you coat your shrimp into your flour, you just add them on an empty plate, and then when your oil is hot, then you can add them. I'm going to start to add my shrimp to my flour. So guys, this is how you want to coat them. Put them, add them to a plate, guys. This is how we want to do it. I'm going to coat all of them just like this until they're finished. Now I'm going to add them to my oil. Guys, you're going to deep fry them for about 2 minutes. So you want to do it, guys. See when these shrimps are finished, guys. I'll show you what they look like. About 2 minutes. You know what your shrimp look like, guys. Remember, it's shrimp, they don't take long to cook, to fry. So that is golden brown. Okay, that's guys, just like that. I'm just gonna add some more. So you want to deep fry your shrimp, guys. Finish now. This is how you want your shrimp to look, golden brown. Smelling so lovely, guys, and looking so delicious already. Yes, guys, and my pasta is also finished after that 8 to 10 minutes. Can you see? My pasta is finished, guys. I'm just gonna drain off the water. Now, guys, after finish frying up your shrimp and also making your sweet chili sauce and also boiling your pasta, now you're going to get an empty pot and you're going to combine everything. Like that, guys. I'm going to give that a little stir. Remember, guys, your fire is supposed to be on low heat. You're going to add your fried shrimps, just like that. Just going to mix them around a bit. Now, guys, you're just going to give that a minute or two just to simmer down into your sauce before you put your pasta inside. Now, guys, checking back on my shrimp after that 2 minutes with my sweet chili sauce. It's smelling so lovely. Yes, guys, it's looking so delicious. Alright, guys. So you want your sweet chili prawns to look like just like that. I wish you guys was here to taste. It's so lovely. I just taste one of ours. I'm telling you, it's amazing. I'm gonna add my pasta to my prawns now. Stir. Just gonna stir that around. Spoon. So you want to do, guys, mix around your pasta into your prawns. Let's give it a good mix into your sauce and with your prawns. It's so lovely, guys. Wow. Now I'm just gonna leave this about 10 seconds. Just let it simmer down a little bit more. Yes, guys. About 10 seconds now, guys. Yes, there you have it, guys. And so you want to prepare your sweet chili prawn, just like that, guys. It's smelling so lovely, so amazing. Guys, just like that. There you have it, guys. That's how you want to prepare it, guys. Thanks for watching Matt Gourmet Kitchen. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click that notification bell and tell me what you think about this. We tried at home. Now this is finished now. I'm going to turn this off. Yes, guys. Thanks for watching. Until next time.